In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete page in GoDaddy website. If you're cleaning up your navigation, removing outdated content, or simplifying your site structure, deleting a page in GoDaddy's website builder is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your web browser and head to Google. Type GoDaddy, then click the official GoDaddy website in the results. Once you're there, sign into your account as you normally would. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your account name to open the account menu. From that menu, choose My Products. This is where all the sites and services linked to your account are organized. On the My Products page, find the website you want to work on. Open the site's editor from here so you can manage its pages. If you have multiple sites, double-check the site name before opening the editor to make sure you're in the right place. Inside the website editor, you'll see a panel that lists your site's pages. In this layout, the page list appears on the right side. Browse through the list and select the page you intend to remove. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct page, especially if your site has similar page names, so you don't delete the wrong one by mistake. Next to the page name, look for a small gear icon. This icon opens the page settings. Click the gear to reveal the available options for that specific page. From the options that appear, choose Delete Page. GoDaddy will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove it. Read that prompt carefully, then click Delete to confirm. That's it, the page is now removed from your site's structure inside the editor. Keep in mind a few best practices. If the page you deleted was linked from other pages, those links may now lead to a missing page, so plan to update or remove any references. Also, some sites assign a home page by default. If you were trying to remove a page set as your home, you may need to change your home assignment first before deleting. Finally, changes in the editor typically appear on your live site after you publish updates, depending on your setup. To recap, sign into GoDaddy, open My Products, launch your site's editor, select the page from the right side list, click the gear icon, choose Delete Page, and confirm. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll keep your site tidy and easy to navigate.